Good evening, I'm Venkat Lakshmi. I'm here to present the task 8, that is timeline analysis of COVID 19. Here, before going to the task, firstly we need to import the required libraries. So, here I import the NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. For the data visualization, we are importing the last four libraries. So, in this task, I am representing the how what is the situation of the COVID-19 in the India, and how many number of cases occurred and how many number of deaths are happened, and how many people are got vaccinated. So based on this report, I'm showing some of the data. So firstly we need to load the data of state-wise testing details and the COVID-19 India, so .csv. So these two files are I am importing. Firstly I am showing the country data, means the COVID data in India. So this is the data which represents the total time and date and place, what are the death rates, and how many death rates, and how many number of persons are cured, and these are the number of columns which are present in the data. We are renaming some of the data, and we are deleting some of the data. So here I am deleting the serial number, confirmed Indian national and confirmed foreign national. So since in these data we got the two values as 0 and 1 as the common, so as 0, so we are deleting we are uh, deleting the unwanted columns. So after deleting that, we are representing the data of the COVID-19 data, and in that data we are calculating the active cases in our country. So for example, while showing this is the date, time, and the state, number of cured cases and the deaths, and total number of cases and number of active cases are present in these data. So for example, here we see in Telangana 56,043, 5,64,303 members are cured, and around 3,400 members are died, and the total number of cases of 5,93,000, and the active cases was 25,406. So this is the data of every state in our country. What are the active cases in the country? It represents these data. And next we are changing the time format and the date format, just from AM to PM, that's it. And same data we are representing, and this is the plot which shows the active cases in top 6 states. So here top 6 states are Kerala, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra. And we observe that Maharashtra has the highest number of active cases through the data. And next we are importing another day. We are renaming the date as date. We are renaming some of the columns in these data, and next we are showing the data, means we are showing what in which union territories total number of cases are present. So this is the alphabetical order of every state, what are the number of actual cases present in the data. So for example, in Andaman and Nicobar, total number of cases are 7,131. So in later Andhra Pradesh, it's 17,63,000 cases. So based on this is the alphabetical order of of every state in our country, and this is the graph which shows the top 10 states with highest number of death rate. So based from this graph, Maharashtra is on the top position, and Kerala is in the least position. And this is the graph which shows the total number of cases with highest number of cured cases. So from this report, as the death rate is maximum, similarly the Maharashtra has the number of cured cases was also maximum, and the and the Rajasthan is the least 10 places which has acute cases. So next we are importing another data of the vaccination data. This is the data which is in which states people got vaccinated and total number of people vaccinated, female data, male data, and next Covaxin or Covishield, Sputnik V, and the ACE is present in these data. So the shape of the vaccination data is 5,328 to 18 columns. So if there are any null values in the vaccination data, we are removing that. So these are the 18 columns which present in the vaccination data. Here we are removing the column of total Sputnik V and the ACE, since we have no data in the Sputnik V and the ACE data, so we are removing that data. So we are removing that columns. So and next we represent what columns we are need. Just we are represent that columns only. This is the data which represent that. So in the vaccinated data, there are total number of people vaccinated and total number of sessions, first dose, second dose, male, female, transgender, Covaxin, Covishield, and total number of doses taken. So this is the data which shows that. And this is the graph which shows that male female ratio of taking in vaccine. So from this report, 47.3% of female are taken vaccinated, and 52.7% of male people are get vaccinated, and 0.0136% of transgender get vaccinated from that report. So and we have two types of vaccines, right? Covaxin and Covishield. So based on this report, 90.1% people are taken Covishield vaccine, and 9.91% people are taken Covaxin vaccine. And next, this is the representation of the data in India, and this is the data. Total number of vaccines are taken in every state. In every state, how many people are taken vaccine? So this is the data. So next we are renaming the total columns as total, and next this is the data which represents the states which are taken highest number of COVID doses, COVID vaccine. So and this is the graph which represents the top 5 vaccinated states. In that Maharashtra is on the top. And next this is the pie chart which represents the total number of doses we will get and total number of people vaccinated. So here 45% of data was of doses were given. So 54.9% of people got vaccinated in our country. Out of 100, 54.9% people are got vaccinated in our country. So for example, if we take the Karnataka state, here we are representing the how many people in Karnataka or get vaccinated. So here for 54.7% of people in Karnataka got the doses, and 45% of people are vaccinated in Karnataka. So this is the graph that represents. So thank you. This is the report which is the current situation of COVID and COVID vaccine taken and total number of deaths, active cases, etc. Thank you.